So what's up, brokers? Today we're talking about one of the most interesting feature inside the cross ecosystem right now, the cross prediction market. No. So if you've been seen people talking about predicting whether Bitcoin goes up or down in just a few minutes and earning rewards along the way, this is exactly what they're referring to. So in this video, mga brokers, we'll cover what the cross prediction market is, how it works, the evolution from season 1 to season 3, and most importantly guys, why cross prediction feels different compared to typical prediction platform. So let's get into it, mga brokers. So first things first, mga brokers, what is cross prediction market? No, so the cross prediction market is a product within the cross game chain ecosystem that allows users to participate in real-time market prediction. So instead of buying and selling assets directly, users simply predict whether a market will go up or down. No? So within a specific time period, it's designed to be easy to understand, quick to join, and entertaining to watch, mga brokers. So think of it as combining market prediction, fast-paced rounds, and community participations, and blockchain rewards. So all inside the cross ecosystem, no? So the question dito din, mga brokers, how does it work, mga tol? No? So the concept is incredibly simple, mga brokers. So you enter a prediction round and choose one of the two outcomes, no? So it's either up or down, mga brokers, no? So if your prediction is correct when the round ends, you receive rewards based on the prediction pool, no? So season 2, mga brokers, it focus heavily on Bitcoin prediction market, featuring 1 minute BTC up or down markets and 3 minute BTC up down markets, no? So this means every few minutes a new opportunity appears. You don't need to analyze charts for hours. You don't need complicated trading strategies. You simply make your prediction and wait for the result, and this creates a fast and exciting experience that even newcomers can understand, mga brokers. So the evolution of cross prediction, mga tol. So season 1 introduced the prediction market in beta form. So features include bill prediction market, 1 minute BTC prediction, free bill distribution. So ito, mga brokers, papasok na tayo sa season 2, no? So noong season 2, mga brokers naman, bigger and better. Season 2 significantly expands the ecosystem. Now users can participate in BTC 1 minute up and down market, BTC 3 minute up and down market, and cross claim campaigns, forge activities, no? So ito yan siya makikita, mga tol, no? So ito yung kabuuan na naidagdag noong season 2, mga brokers, no? So may mga iba't ibang platforms na diyan na dinagdag si cross prediction. And then also makikita niyo din dito yung forge, no? Dito guys, ito yung forge. Dinagdag nila to, mga tol. Yan, ito. Cross forge ecosystem, mga brokers. So dito guys, makikita niyo din yung mga tokens na ginagamit, no? Yan. So dito ka guys, pwede na kayo dito bumili ng billion token, no? Na pwede nyo gamitin sa pag-predict dito sa market na itong cross prediction. Let's jump into guys, no? Season 3, no? The future. According to the roadmap, season 3 focuses on expanding the prediction market economy even further. So the goal is broader user adoption and deeper ecosystem integration. So as more users join cross, the prediction market becomes a larger part of the overall platform experience, mga tol. Dito, naidagdag nila dito, mga brokers, yung cross platform. So ngayon guys, pwede na kayo dito mag-predict using your cross token, no? Yan. So gumagana na yan siya guys. Ang gagamitin nyo naman dito guys, automatically is yung mismong cross token pagka magpe-predict kayo. And dito naman din sa bill token guys, is naidagdag nila yung ETH in 1 minute up or down, BTC, and yan, yung tatlong main token, no? Pwede nyo pagpilian dito. And then dito naman din may mga prediction din dito about sa crypto, sa culture, macro, politics, and sports, mga tol, no? Yung kung makikita nyo dito, meron din dito Philadelphia 76ers, Los Angeles Lakers, no? So ayun yung mga pinili ko nun. Pero yan, laglag na yan, mga tol. So next one, mga brokers, why cross prediction feels different, no? So now here's the part that really stands out, mga brokers. So there are already many prediction platforms out there. So why does cross feel different? So it builds around simplicity, mga brokers, no? So most trading platforms feel overwhelming. You see dozens of charts, indicators, order books, and technical terms. So cross strips all that away, mga tol. So the experience become, do you think BTC goes up or down in the next minute? So that's it mga tol. Simple, fast, easy to understand. So it's community friendly mga tol. So because the prediction rounds are short, they're perfect for live streams, community events, and creators content. So viewers can follow along in the real time and experience the excitement together. This creates a more social experience compared to traditional trading mga bro. So it connects directly to the cross ecosystem unlike the standalone prediction platform. So cross prediction is connected to the broader cross ecosystem. So users can participate in campaigns, claim rewards, engage forge activities, and interact with other ecosystem features. So ito yun siya mga tol, no? So dito guys, pwede sa campaign, pwede kayo sumali. And once na kasali kayo dito sa campaign, pwede kayo dito mag-predict, no? And kung wala kayong token, pwede kayong dumiretso dito sa CrossForge para bumili ng token. And once na may na-earn na kayo guys, pwede din kayo connect dito para ibenta yung na-earn yung token, no? So ganun siya kadali. Easy intindihin mga brokers. And then, so fourth, no, mga brokers, pang-apat, it creates opportunities for creators, no? So as cross prediction grows, content creators gain new opportunities to produce prediction challenges, live trading sessions, market analysis, community competition, educational guides, and this opens the door for an entirely new category of content inside the cross-web ecosystem. So, kagaya nga na sinabi ko guys, create opportunities for creators, kagaya ko. So, kagaya na ito mga brokers, ito may bagong campaign dito na nirelease si Cross, no? So, ito yung cross prediction mga brokers, kailangan nyo lang mag-claim, explain kung paano mag-claim ng cross, BTC 1 minute up or down, sell on Forge, and yun, about sa season 2 mga brokers, no? So yan siya mga brokers, 10 days na lang to mga brokers, and meron niyang reward pool na 40,000 cross mga tol, no? So pwede pa kayo humabol guys if kayo ay isang content creator. So my conclusion on this, the cross prediction market is evolving into one of the most exciting features within the cross ecosystem. The platform continues to grow mga brokers. So what makes it special isn't just predicting market movements mga tol. So it's the combination of simplicity, fast-paced gameplay, community participation, ecosystem rewards, creator opportunities, and that's exactly why cross prediction feels different, no? So what do you think, brokers? Will you be joining the 1 minute and 3 minute BTC prediction market? Drop your thoughts in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cross ecosystem updates, guides, and earning opportunities. So yun guys, until the next time. Peace out, brokers.